friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see how to make bread pizza on tawa. Please subscribe and click the bell icon for more videos. We need bread, onion, tomato, capsicum, carrot and cheese. Step 1. Add the chopped onion. Step 2. Add the chopped capsicum. Step 3. Add grated carrot. Step 4. Add chopped tomato. Step 5. Add the pepper powder. Step 6. Add salt. Step 7. Mix it well. Step 8. Spread the sauce on the bread. Step 9. Add the vegetable mixture on the bread. Step 10. Add cheese. Step 11. On the stove. Step 12. Place the bread on the tawa. Step 13. Close it with a lid. Step 14. Open the lid after 10 minutes. Yummy bread pizza is ready. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.